So I was meant to film a video today, which I did. It was to replace a video that I deleted on purpose due to a bad hair day. And this one went really well and the hair seems all right. Chopped it all off. It's doing okay. And then I deleted this one by accident because I didn't have room on my phone. So I tried to delete some media and I ended up deleting all my media, which was nice. So I'm just going to cobble together some plant stuff and put that up. It might not be book related, but nice and calming given the situation. So enjoy. Bye. Just look at this cherry tree by my shed. Should we get a close up? I wish you could see or smell how lovely it is. These are bugle and some dandelions. Polytunnel has got cabbages, rocket which is bolted so the tortoise is eating it, spring onions still, there's some baby beetroot, spinach, can't wait, parsley, and then the beans ready and waiting. So the daffodils that I planted extremely late have come out. This is the messy part of the garden that we try and hide, but they're all in a little row. And then this is the new plot that was a lawn. It's desperate times. He calls up there all day. I've got a feeling it's a song thrush or a missel thrush, but I don't know. So this is my favourite bush. It flowers in spring. I've got no idea what it's called, but it was tiny when it came to us. And now look how frothy. And it smells nice too. And then along here are going to be my aqualegias. So in about a month they'll be gorgeous. And then this is where all the big plants are, this path. Some of them are veg, like this is chard. You can see how bright it is. And down here, this is our wild patch. So we'd like this to be a little bit more kept for a wild patch. But this is our new crab apple that we bought a few months ago. And then the blue bush. I don't know if you can see how blue it is in this. Maybe this side might do better. The blue bush is not quite out, but it is like a bee magnet. Oh, I can see a little jack down there. So in a week, it'll just be covered. This is where we were playing trains until Mr. Stropalop changed his mind. And then this is my sort of, I think of this as my woodland border. So these are all my forget-me-nots that were here already, so I can't really call them forget-me-nots. Here's our little bench, complete with a Brachiosaurus and a Kentrosaurus. I only knew the names of 2 dinosaurs 6 months ago, and now I know the names of about 100. My late flowering daffs, because I planted them very late. Camellias, which aren't doing enormously well, but they're alive. And then let's get to the primroses. They're pretty much all the way along, and they are a little bit gone now, but there they are.